Hello everyone, welcome to another new episode of Book Tales by Preetha. In today's episode, which is a vlog, I will talk about my experiences of a rainy day, making of a biscuit cake, and my morning routine. Hope you enjoy this video pattern of mine.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now is my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, won't you wait for me? Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be.
Well, now let's begin the unboxing of the two new books that I have bought. The hands that you can see in the video isn't mine, it's my mother because I was doing the shooting. So the first book is The Unbearable Lightness of Being by Milan Kundera. This is a very popular book, and for the longest time I was planning to buy this book and read this book as well. Now comes the next book. While it is taking some time to cut the wrapper, the book is Angel's Beauty Spot by K.R. Meera. There are three novellas as you can see in this particular book. This is again a very popular book, and I have already read the book when you will see this video. Excellent book. Both are very popular books. While both of them are critically and widely acclaimed among the book lovers and book readers across. If you have read, share your feedback. Now let's talk about the biscuit cake making process which my mother made at home. Now this is milk toast biscuit crushed, and then we have put milk into it, and then we are mixing it in a bowl. The thing has to come like this at the end, so you have to mix it very well. Once this is done, put the batter in a bowl like this, and in the bowl you can put some butter and maida like this, and then you can put the butter. Then in the oven, when you put the butter, after half an hour the cake is ready, and this is how the cake looks. Isn't it delicious? Well, I have tasted it, but if you want to make something easy and quickly, then you can try out this cake making process. The entire process takes about 1 hour. Now these are the two books that I bought from the latest book haul. The first one is The Angel's Beauty Spot, as I said, by K.R. Meera. It is translated from Malayalam by J. Devika. And this popular book which I was planning to buy long, The Unbearable Lightness of Being. Now first let me talk about The Angel's Beauty Spot. This is a compilation of 3 short stories which have been translated from Malayalam into English. In all the 3 stories, the protagonist is women, and when I am picturizing this particular video, I have already read this book. I have written a full-fledged blog on this particular book. In this particular book, in all the three stories, the protagonists are women from simple middle class family. How each of their tales are different from one another. All these women live in contemporary societies of India. What are the conflict they are witnessing? Are they able to come out of it, or they will fall into a bigger problem? That is what is written very wonderfully in this particular book. If you are a lover of good language, good English literature, then I would definitely ask you to read this amazing book, The Angel's Beauty Spot by K.R. Meera. Another book, The Unbearable Lightness of Being by Milan Kundera. Very, very popular book. I am yet to read it, and I was longing to buy this book from a very, very long time. Finally, I have got it. As far I know, this is the story of four prime characters, and the story is set in Prague and Czechoslovakia. And I have heard a lot about this particular book and about Milan Kundera. And this is a story of love and infidelities, and that is all I know. And I know about Milan Kundera and this book. So once I finish this book, I hope to finish it very soon. I've already started it, and I will come with a full-fledged review either in blog or video format, whichever you want. Do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to make it for my viewers. And if you want to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, then definitely subscribe my channel, Book Tales by Preetha. I come up with new videos every week. I was on a break for some time, but now I promise to make regular videos. Also, you can follow Book Tales by Preetha on Instagram. On Facebook, there is a Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha, where we talk about books, about author, about literature. You can follow my Twitter handle, which is @PreethaSharkar18. And if you want to know more about books, then definitely subscribe my channel, Book Tales by Preetha, because if you all subscribe my channel, only then small YouTubers like us grow. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. And do let me know if you have tried making this particular cake recipe that I have told in my video. And would you like to see these kind of combination video where I am talking about books and some other things, as in this particular case it was food? If you would like to see this sort of video. So tata and bye bye for today, and I will see you soon in my next video.